Y.H.F Floors, as one of the major manufacturers in the production of anti-static vinyl flooring tiles in China, offers a wide range of ESD, electrostatic discharge, and anti-static vinyl flooring options, which are known for their reliable quality, large output, and good reputation. The static control PVC flooring tiles made by Y.H.F Floors Company meet the national standards and testing criteria of many advanced countries, ensuring they comply with internationally recognized quality, safety, and performance benchmarks. For example, meet FloorScore and be certified with low TVOC emissions. Y.H.F Floors manufacturer advantages and strengths. The largest ESD vinyl flooring tiles manufacturer and leading OEM service provider in China since 1993. The annual output is around 5 million SQM. Full automated production lines to ensure higher production efficiency. The longest tempering lines in China. An independent testing laboratory with appropriate testing instruments and equipment. ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certified. Patents on products and production lines. A full set of SGS test reports for TVOC, CE, RoHS, and other properties. Completed a lot of ESD vinyl flooring tile projects for Fortune 500 companies. Welcome to our factory.